What's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of Gimme Them Keys. Today we're in a 911 off-road safari style SC, which is SC stands for Super Carrera. Now this may look like their old favorite Porsche for most people, the 964, but this is actually just before the 964. This is a 1982. The 964 I think was 1985, so I think these range between 1978 and 1984. So but this is the 1982. I normally mount my camera right here, but I kind of forgot that mount today, so we will be doing GoPro footage. I got a GoPro here, got a GoPro on the side, and we're just gonna do a raw drive. Now this is an off-road car. It's not going to be very fast. It is a 3-liter straight 6, and gonna have a whopping 180 horsepower. So it's not going to be that fast. Now that was fast back in the day. I mean, back in the 80s, that was pretty quick. I mean, how much did a Volkswagen Beetle have? Like 13 horsepower or something like that. So I mean, it's pretty decent, but to today's standards, pretty slow. But here we go. And this thing is going to be very real, very realistic. It's got nice seats in here. Got the Cobra Pro Fits. Got the red seat belt. Real Porsche style. And obviously it's a manual. And since it's off the ground, riding through dirt is fun. So I'm going to drive on the street for a little bit, see how it feels. And then we'll try to find some dirt trails. I don't really know the area that well. We are up here in Gainesville right now, so I'm sure there's dirt somewhere. That might have been 5th gear. Yep, that was 5th gear. Sorry. Still getting used to the car, but it's kind of floaty, as you can expect with these big tires on there. It got some big BFGoodrich Johnnies on there. They are 215 65 16. It still has like the factory style wheels, and it looks cool. That's actually a little bit faster than I thought. That was the first time Florida in that car. There's some dirt. What is this? Find this dirt over here. It's so cool to take a Porsche in the dirt. So just before this video, I drove a 911 GT3 RS. That is a car I would not take in the dirt. That's what it's made for. Oh my God. Yes, dude. Yes, dude. Oh my God, that is so fun. That thing kicked out so easy, I barely tapped it. I was not expecting that. And this car is made for this. Oh my God, this is already one of the most fun cars I've driven just because of that. Oh man, I'm gonna try to find another road somewhere. That is sick, dude. That is sick. This car is sick. So anyways, back on the road now. Train tracks, who cares? So anyways, back on the road now. This thing, I mean, it feels pretty cool. It's like, it's very old, so you gotta remember that. The brakes they work, but you know, they're not, you know, it's an old car, so you gotta remember you push down very hard. I don't think this thing even had power brakes. I'm not sure. I wish I knew more about these cars. I really don't, especially these old ones, but I mean, it's a car that doesn't get old, so. See if I get third this time. That's what I'm talking about right there. Hit the brakes, hit the brakes, hit the brakes. This car is sick, dude. That's what I'm talking about. I kind of want to go back to that other road, but I'm gonna find something else. This car also gets a lot of attention, as you can expect. I mean, you don't normally see a Porsche raised off the ground. I wish I knew the suspension. If I ever figured it out, I'll put it here or something, but it's obviously it's raised. Got the big tires on there, I said already, and then the way it drives, it still drives like a Porsche. I mean, it's still very raw. It's just a little bit more floaty because the tires are big. So I mean, kind of expect that, and especially with the engine being in the rear. So the front end is really, really light. I mean, these cars are super light. I think they're only like 25 or 2,600 pounds. Probably lighter than that. I'd have to look that up to be sure, but I mean, I know these cars, like even the newer model Porsches, they always focus on being lightweight and having real feel to the cars. I mean, that's why people love Porsches. I mean, if you ever driven one, you're gonna be addicted. I drove one, drove two, drove three, drove four, drove five, and they've always been very, very addicting. So my next car will definitely be a Porsche, and I mean, it's gonna happen. That's all I gotta say. I don't know what, but we'll see. But it's gotta happen. So this car is owned by Will Dunford from True Automotive, also from the GT3 RS I just drove, and he actually got this thing years ago, and he bought it like super cheap for like $10,000. And he decided he couldn't decide if he wanted to sell it years ago, and now if you've seen this price on Porsches lately, everything goes up. Porsches are like stocks. Like they go up, they go down, they go down, they go up, and it's just ridiculous. Like this car now, like a cheap version is like $35,000, and he got it for $10,000 years ago. So I mean, I'm abusing it, he abuses it, and you could still sell it for more than what he paid for it. So now he's kind of scared to sell it because he knows he might not be able to get another one. So I mean, yeah, he'll make some profit, but that'll probably be the last one he can get at this price. So I don't think he should sell it. I mean, this thing's pretty fun, even if you don't drive it every day. I mean, it drives fine. You can daily the car. I'm pretty comfortable in it. I'm sitting in traffic. He does have a fan switch over here just in case it does start to run hot, but I haven't seen any funny activity on any of these gauges, so he should be good. All right, just cut me off, it's cool. I'm searching my map right now for dirt. That looks like dirt. Let's see if we can get here. Hey! All right, according to my calculations, there should be dirt somewhere to the right. That looks a little sketchy. Okay, I'm not taking that. I will flip going in there. Let me find another one. Damn. All right, let me shut it off for a minute so I can figure out where I'm going, because I'm just out here in the middle of nowhere. All right, GoPro's back on. I might have found it looks like it kind of goes somewhere, so I guess we'll find out. Hopefully it's not a dead end. If not, I think I have a second spot over here, but that definitely looks like some dirt over here. Where does it go? Where does it go? I think that's it. Yeah, that okay. Well, that was fun. Damn it. Gotta find another spot. This is harder than you would think to find some dirt. If I was more prepared, this was kind of last minute, so I wasn't really full on prepared. I still love how easy that brake's loose. You go half throttle when it's kicking sideways. I love that. It's so nice to drive a Porsche and not have to be delicate with it. So there should be another spot like right here on the right. Kind of back to where we started now. Yep, I think that was a spot. Big old construction. Oh, I don't see anybody there. I don't see anybody there. Hello. What y'all got going on in here? Yes. Oh my God. I'm driving a Porsche through the dirt and I'm not worried about anything. That's gotta be such a good feeling. Oh, that was soft. Don't want to get stuck. Go this way. Oh my God. This is how you drive this thing right here. Oh my God, this is why this thing was made. This is why it's Safari style. Oh man. Oh, get out of that area. That's it's pretty slick over there. I don't want to get stuck. Stay on the hard stuff. Oh my God. Yes. Yes. I don't know if they have cameras over here. They're probably like, what the hell is this guy doing? Oh man. All right guys, well, I think it's gonna do it for this episode. Hopefully you enjoyed that. I definitely enjoyed this. This is awesome. I will drive this car again. Oh my God, dude. Like, I can't believe what I'm doing right now. This is crazy. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna go do donuts at the other rock spot and then we'll end it there. I need something for Instagram. Just out here vibing, fam. That's what it's made for. Yes, dude. This is way too fun. See another gate open. What's back there? Oh, that's not dirt. That's lame. All right, let's go back to the rocks. There's a cop. He don't know what I was doing. All right, back home. Oh my God. Back in first gear. All right guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, you like this car, hit that thumbs up. And I will see you in the next video. All right, let me get out of here before another cop comes. Deuces.